In the realm of artistic expression, metal welding has emerged as a captivating medium that melds strength and the elegance, utility and the creativity as a spark dance and the molten metal countless. The ancient craft of welding intertwines with the boundless imagination of art, breathing life into extraordinary sculptures, architectural marvels, and awe-inspiring art project. Journey with us as we delve into a captivating history of metal welding, uncovering the profound impact it has had to the world of art. The origin of welding date back to the Bronze Age, where early civilizations recognized the transformative power of joining metal. Ancient craftsmen utilized techniques such as fork welding, soldering, and brazing to fuse bronze, coppers, and the irons. These early experiments set the stage for the metamorphosis of welding metal, paving the way for future innovations and the artistic inspirations and the expressions. While welding initially found in place industrial application, it was the visionary artist of the late 19th and the 20th century who recognized its untapped potential in a realm of artistic creation. Pioneers such as Pablo Picasso, Julio Ganasel, and Alexander Calder pushed the boundaries of traditional art by incorporating metal welding sculpture into their repertoires. These audacious visualization the art world, propelling welding for the factory floor into the Hollywood galleries and the museum and the exhibitions. With the advent of new technologies, metal welding underwent a significant evolution, resulting in the emergence of modern welding techniques. The introduction of electric arc welding in the late 19th century provided artists with an unprecedented level of precision and the control. This breakthrough emblem them manipulate metal with a greater dexterity, encouraging a creation of article and elaborate design. In contemporary art scene, welding continued to captivate and inspiring artists across the globe. Renowned sculptors like Richard Serra, Louis Nevelson have harnessed in the power of welding to create a monumental work that redefines space, challenging perceptions and evoke profound emotion. From abstract form of realistic representation, welding metal sculpture grace public park galleries. Creating a welding project and piece of art from scratch can be an incredibly rewarding endeavor. Not only does it allow you to express your creativity and the craftsmanship, but it also presents an opportunity to generate income by selling your unique creation. In this video, we will explore a variety of welding projects and art ideas that have the potential to sell like a hotcake. Thanks for being here. Good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to show you some amazing welding projects and the art ideas from scrap that will sell like a hot cake, and you can earn a handsome amount from these projects. So let's get started. One popular welding project that never goes out of style is a metal wall art. Metal wall art pieces can range from abstract design to intricate pattern, provide versatile canvas for your creativity. Consider incorporating nature-inspired elements like tree, leaves, and the animals, or option for modern and the minimalist design to cater to a different taste. By experimenting with different texture, finishes, and colors, you can produce one of a kind piece that will captivate buyers. And other luxury welding project is the creation of custom furniture and the decor pieces. With the rise of industrial and the rustic interior design trends, there is a growing demand for furniture pieces that incorporate metal enchant, welding together steel frame for coffee tables, chairs, or the bookshelves, and pairing them with the reclaimed wood or the glass tops can result in a stunning and sought after pieces. The combination of durability, functionality, and the aesthetic make custom furniture and the lucrative market to explore. For those with the passion for outdoor spaces, welding gardens, sculptures, and the decorative element can be a profitable niche. Sculpture of flowers, animals, or the abstract shapes can enhance the visual appeal of garden, patio, and even the public spaces. Experimenting with the different metals such as copper or the stainless steel, you can add a unique touch to your creation. Additionally, consider crafting functional items like planter, trestles, or the fire pit to cater out the wider range of potential buyers. Welding jewelry is another area where creativity and the craftsmanship can lead to successful sales. From statement necklace to the delicate ring, the possibilities are endless. Explore different metals such as silver, bronze, and experiment with the incorporating gemstones, beads, and the other materials to add a touch of elegance and the uniqueness to your design. Personalized jewelries like customized name necklace or the initial rings can also be popular choice for customers seeking a special gift or a meaningful keepsake. Beyond the aforementioned project, custom signage and the personalized home decor item are in high demand. Welding metal sign with codes, home number, and the family name can add a personal touch to any space. Additionally, creating a custom fireplace screen, candle holder, or the wine rack can cater a space into your design preferences, making them highly desirable. Here is our today's video. Thanks for being here and thanks for watching. Thank you so much.